What made you said yes being a Tala endorser? That's the first question.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, it wasn't hard to say yes to a product or an app, let's say. If it sends the message across people or sa mga kababayan natin to empower them na magkaroon tayo ng mas maayos na patas na laban sa buhay, magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na tuparin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Because we all know naman, di ba? Life is really designed to not be fair. It is designed for us to strive, to survive, and of course to have dreams. I like what Tala standard. Gusto ko yung they take care of everyone around them, especially the trust that people will give them. I like that there's a high confidentiality when it comes to information. These are probably basic things, yeah? But, these are probably maaaring hindi iniisip na baka hindi importante. But confidentiality when it comes to information, that's number one for me. My trust sa isang kumpanya is you also have to take care of my privacy. And para ibigay ko yung lahat ng impormasyon ng buhay ko sa isang kumpanya, hindi basta-basta yun. Secondly, it is the ability to empower the Filipino people to dream. Marami na tayong mga kababayan ngayon na nawawalan ng pag-asa sa buhay because life is just so hard already with the pandemic happening, with the floods, with a lot of things happening around us. It's just hard to go into details. Mababash tayo. So, natin isa-isa. We all know what we're talking about. In life, we all need that one glimmer of hope. And I think Tala is that hope. That's why I'm all for that.
Yes, I agree to that, madam.
Thank you.
Ginawang pang-pageant na yung Q&A. Buti na lang prepared si Miss Julia. You chose well.
Prepared ako sa shoulders ko.
Tsaka, ang refreshing ng sagot niyo po, no? Yung diretsahan. We all know that life's unfair. I love that. It's so refreshing to see that through your lens. Na realistic pa rin tayong lahat. Did you have another question? One more po, no?
Yes.
Okay.
So, I just gotta take the opportunity for that. I'm really so happy, grabe. What other words of encouragement can you give to us people here who is really believing in Tala and as a new endorser now? Can you give me more encouragement that I never would ever regret because I am in a very established company such as Tala?
Okay, with the information that I have for Tala, Tala has been taking care of, they have been in this industry for 8 years already. Hindi ba? Hindi lang siguro madalas na naririnig, but ang isang kumpanya, para tumagal na ganun reliable nang walang negative issues or anything, it means they're really doing a great job. Second, it gives us the chance, again, I'm going back to what I said earlier, it gives us the chance to dream and hope. And ako kasi, when I look at a product or look at a company that I'm going to be partnered with, hindi lang ito pwedeng nagbe-benefit ako lang. The benefit that Tala will give to everyone is the benefit to dream, the benefit to be able to finish their studies, the benefit to be able to be responsible and to have that feeling of entitlement na kaya ko pala. Kasi may kasama ako sa laban ko. May powers pala ako because I have Tala support with me. And what I think it's really important that everyone should know, Tala will actually guide you every step of the way. And like ako, halimbawa hindi pa ako marunong gumamit ng ganitong mga apps or anything, it is very basic, napakadali niyang intindihin. Even yung mga tao, sabihin natin, naku, hindi ako nakapagtapos, hindi ko ito maiintindihan. Hindi po ako nakapagtapos, pero gets ko. I understand it, no pressure. They will actually help you, make you understand, ito lang yung kaya kong bayaran, o di ito lang muna tayo. I mean, it is something that's always nice that you have a backup plan when it comes to investing, when it comes to loaning, or when it comes to your future. We all have, even the younger ones, I encourage the younger ones now, no? Hindi naman, ang pag-load, hindi naman to dapat pag may asawa na ako, tsaka ako na mag-load. You start your dream when you're young. What? It is a wise investment when you start investing when you're younger. For the time before you reach your retirement age, you'll be surprised na, ang laki pala kung nagawa nito sa akin. So do not be scared because the Tala app or the Tala company is really designed to help you and very dependable. I mean, it is really what I love most about this app, this lending app, this loan application. Kumbaga, tutulungan ka niya pero hindi ka niya ipipressure. So, just take that risk. Life is all about taking that risk. If you don't take that risk, hindi mo malalaman kung saan ka naman makakapunta, di ba?
I think Missy wants to add to that as well.
I just really want to share because for those of you who don't know, Nay Babes is one of our first customers that we featured in a testimonial. Her story is so inspiring. That's why I feel like it's a full circle moment. That she's here asking the first question to you, our first celebrity endorser. So thank you very much for asking the questions, and I think you hit a really important spot. So thank you for being here.
Thank you. Na-encourage po ba kayo? I feel like you don't really need that much because you're so full of energy and love for Tala.
Yeah, for one, really, I'm so happy that being here and racing the show because it's again my pride and knowing these people who made my life. And I want to tell you guys, Tala is really dependable. Something and somebody you can trust. Kaya hindi kayo mawawala. Tandaan nyo, sa Tala, buo ang tiwala, ngayon, patas lang ang laban.
Yun. Buo ang tiwala, patas lang ang laban. Thank you very much. Ayan. Feel ko talaga yung love niya. I also want to quickly direct my question to Missy. I know that we have our assumptions. Obviously, you've chosen such a well-spoken representative right now, Ms. Judy Ann Santos for Tala. But what was your thought process in choosing the newest member? So we can ask Missy and Moritz as well. How did you come about with deciding, okay, I feel like Ms. Judy Ann Santos would be the perfect endorser for us?
So, as you heard in the introduction earlier, like your story from the beginning, I grew up watching. Watching Tala and like the evolution of everything that you've become. I've seen how much you've grown, and it mirrors the stories of our customers. Because we always have yung mga interviews with customers. This is not something that's lip service. We always talk to our customers. That's why we found the likes of Inay Babes, you know. And then through their stories, doon namin nakikita yung similarities of their stories with your stories, what you represent, yung underdog stories and how you fought against all odds, kahit unfair ang buhay. And then yung lumaban ka ng patas. And having that superpower and that what you stand for, the values that Tala stands for, I think it's really aligned. We also did a lot of interviews with customers who mentioned you. It's like when we were thinking of like who was really the best person to represent Tala, it was affirmed and they see themselves in your story. So that's really how it all came together.
Ganda. Full circle moment here. Did you want to add anything to that?
I can add my personal perspective because even though I've been in the Philippines for more than 10 years, I obviously in fact, when we first decided, okay, we would like to hire an endorser, like it's a bit of a blank slate for me personally. So the team brought a couple of suggestions to me, and I think when Judy Ann's name came up the first time, obviously I asked a few questions. It's like, what's the background? Like, what do we need to look out for?
You never watched Fire Tala as a kid too?
10 years ago.
It's on top of,
I think naka-record naman, di ba? Send na lang natin ang episode.
it's on top of my list tonight.
Better be.
But the conclusion, like, there were two main things. One was obviously we were speaking to customers, and the customer's voice was very loud and clear that Judy Ann is the person we would like to see, which I think in itself is probably the strongest support that we could have seen. And the second aspect was really, when I heard about the aspect of trust, like obviously being an accomplished actress, being a mom, so all of that resonated with me personally quite a bit, and I think the choice was pretty clear and easy for us.
Love it, and I think everybody's pretty happy with the choice that they made, yes? And people want the hat. Okay, any other questions from